Hello to all my viewers. This is Dr. Dhaval Maheta, and today we'll discuss how to convert range of data to formatted table in Excel. So we'll take one example. Here we are having a registration number of the students, name of the students, date of birth, graduation, specialization, marks in first semester and marks in second semester. Now to convert this range of data into table, make sure that you activate any cell in the table. Now you go in insert, click on table. A warning will appear. You want to create the table? Click OK and it's done. Now, as soon as the range of data gets converted into the formatted table, many features will get activated. The first one is very interesting feature, the table styles. Now, there is a feature that you want a banded rows or not. Please pay attention here. The banded rows will appear or disappear. Depending upon your requirement, you can activate it. Do you require a total row? See, 1287 has appeared. Last column, first column, bold, filter buttons. These filter buttons will also get activated. Do you require it or not? So at present, keep as it is. Now, as these filter buttons are activated, you will be able to use all the options which we have discussed about the filters in the previous videos. Moreover, sorting can be done. Sort largest to smallest or smallest to largest. Control Z to undo whatever we have done. Now, as soon as you convert your range of data to the formatted table, if you expand your data set, the formatted table will include the new data in the table. Let's say marks 3. Enter. You can see all the formatting have been included in it. Moreover, formulas and formatting both will be extended to the new columns and rows. Filtering, we have already discussed. Let me remove this marks 3. Okay. So here it gives me the total. Now what is the option which is available? Click here. You can have average, count, how many observations are there, maximum, minimum, sum, standard deviation, variance. Okay. Now let's come here. Count. So it gives me and how many students are there. Here also you can activate count and it will give you the number. By converting your data range into Excel table, you can significantly improve data management, analysis, and visualization. Now we will name this worksheet. So click on the table design and let's give the name uh, semester semester uh, let's keep semester marks. Enter. What is the advantage of giving the name to this table? Let's say we are on sheet 3 and we write down here semester marks. Enter. You can see it will directly take me to that table. So it's quite easy to search the table. Now I want to resize the table. I don't want to include some column. So what I can do, I can click on table design, resize table. So the range is A1 to G21. I don't want to include G21. I want the data only till F21. So F21, click OK. And you can see that now the marks of second semester are not included in the table. Can we convert this formatted table again into the data range? Yes, you can. Right click, table, convert to range. Click yes, and again. Now formatted table is in the range of data. So this is how you can create formatted table from the data range. For more videos on MS Excel, please subscribe my channel so that you can refer all the videos in my playlist. Please don't forget to like and share my videos. You can also follow me on LinkedIn, Twitter, and Instagram. Link given in the description box.